This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation, and I'm really excited about this latest mini-series where we'll showcase some of the exciting things we've developed for our clients using the Microsoft Power Platform. If you're watching this video, you're probably already aware that CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. And a typical CRM system is designed to keep track of leads, prospects, customers, contacts, sales opportunities, and activities, such as phone conversations, emails, and appointments. And that's all it's designed to do. It's actually a lot more than that. As the title implies, it's not your grandfather's CRM anymore. Today's CRMs are about end-to-end management of your entire process. Imagine tracking your entire sales process from marketing right through to sales, to order management, and even invoicing. Or maybe your business offers samples, and you need a tool to track those sample requests right through to fulfillment. Or let's say a customer is asking for a refund or a replacement of their product. Imagine managing that entire process right from the request to the shop floor to the accounting department and back to the customer. Or maybe you do project work and you need a tool to manage those projects, schedule them, track time, and bill your clients. Some more advanced CRM systems might also include a tool for tracking service cases. The truth of the matter is everybody handles service differently. Perhaps service is part of your normal sales process. Or maybe you want to track problem issues. Or maybe your service requests require assistance from your partners. Or maybe you're in a business that has subscription services, renewals, or requires some type of proactive fulfillment. Everyone's business is different. But today's CRM systems can be designed to manage your specific business in ways you just can't imagine. We'll show you several examples of how we have helped our clients grow their business without growing staff to provide their sales team with all the tools right at their fingertips to help them sell more product and services. This mini-series will be different. It's very non-technical, and it's designed to get you thinking about the possibilities to improve your business.